crawling so we can see your tail move. Okay, do some crawling.
Dexter, not you.
Dexter, come here. Come here,
Hi.
Dexter. Dexter, come here.
Levi, come get something. Let's see.
Dexter, come here.
Levi, what's this?
Go get the dog toy.
Hey, buddy. Levi. Levi. Levi, come
The
here.
dog wants you.
Oh, go to mommy right away.
I think maybe mommy should just back up.
Yeah.
And he sees your water rattle now.
Or he could put that out further too. He could go after that. He's not gonna open it.
Here, Levi. Wanna go get it? Okay, go get it.
See the tail wagging?
You got it.
Good job.
Hmm. Oh, the full gear.
There we go.
Oh, go get it, Levi. Levi, go get it.
See, that's why babies are better than dogs. Yeah.
Should we try that again?
He's like, but I just got it, Dad.
Yeah, great that wiggles while they crawl.
Yeah. Oh, did you find the dog's rope?
Good job. That's a lot of water for you. Oh.
Yeah, you lifted it clear up. Good job. Oh, trick-or-treaters are here.